Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, this generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the radiator fan fuses are located, you will have some really hidden fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain about that, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So where you can guys expect to find the radiator fan fuses, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Silverado here. Now you guys have many hidden fuse boxes all over that truck and most people don't know about them. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do now, we need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, here guys, under the hood on the driver's side, you have a fuse box right there. That's easy to access. Remove that cover. Underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like that one for 2014 through 16 models and a layout like this one for 2017 through 19 models. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. Multiple fuses will need to be checked at 2 different locations. Make sure to stay until the end. We also want to share one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If you have 2014 through 16 model, the fuses that you need to check are fuse number 12 and 13 right here. These fuses will need to be checked. And also guys, okay, some of you may have other fuse number 42. You may or may not have this one. Now 2017 through 19, okay, will be again fuse number 12 and 13, and some of you may have fuse number 42. Also, what you guys need to do, after that you need to open the hood guys on your Chevy Silverado, and you need to come to the passenger side where the car battery is located. If we zoom in here, on top of the battery on the positive terminal, you see where these wires are. Okay, if you open it, you have, that's a positive terminal, that's integrated fuse box with up to 6 fuses guys. That's a top view of it. And these fuses guys, okay, some of them will be for the radiator fan as well. So if your radiator fan doesn't work, check these mega fuses because there is very limited information about those. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.